Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at crypto wallets and how to make one, and by the end of this video you're going to understand what crypto wallets are, how they work, and how to make one using Phantom Wallet. Let's get started. Now, what is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is basically a personal bank account used for cryptocurrencies. It allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. But here's the thing. They don't actually store your crypto. Instead, they store the private and public keys to your crypto, which is basically like the passwords and addresses for accessing and managing your cryptocurrencies. There are two different types of wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are online wallets that are connected to the internet. These things are sort of like mobile apps or browser extensions. Some of the examples are Phantom Wallet, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet, while cold wallets are offline wallets, and they are perfect for long-term storage, such as hardware wallets, which are Ledger and Trezor, or even paper wallets. Paper wallets are essentially a physical piece of paper where a user's private and public keys for their cryptocurrency are either written down or printed. Now that we know what a crypto wallet is, let's go ahead and make one. Go to phantom.com, and once the web page has loaded, click on download for Chrome. Here it will send you to the Chrome web store where you click add to Chrome and then add extension. Then it will automatically send you to the front page where you can now create a new wallet. Click on create a new wallet, and you can either continue with email, which lets you continue with an Apple ID or Gmail, or what you can do is click create with a seed phrase wallet, which will basically give you 12 random words for you to recover your account. Go ahead and create a password now. After you have created a password, go ahead and agree to the terms of service and click continue. Now this is your secret recovery phrase. There are 12 random words, and please store these so you can recover your wallet if necessary. Then say you have written it down and continue. Click get started and it will send you back to the Chrome web store. And this is it. You now have your wallet. So go ahead, go to extensions, click on Phantom, and this is your new Phantom wallet. Here you can either add Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, or Bitcoin to your account, and you can also manage your tokens. You can click close, and if you scroll up, you can see there's a receive button. Now here is your public key. This is where people can send you Solana, or Ethereum, or whatever cryptocurrency you want. You can also send Solana, Ethereum, and anything else to other people. You can also swap any token you want for another token. Finally, you can also buy any cryptocurrency you want in any dollar amount, including 100, 500, 250, or any other number. There will also be different ways to pay to get cryptocurrency, and some of the examples are MoonPay, Robinhood, and Stripe. You have now successfully set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Thank you for your time, and we will see you next time.